Welcome to the Fuse Risk Management Platform overview. We're going to be talking a little bit about each of the different components and how this all works. It is the culmination of the last 7 years of development, working with industrial athletes and learning from the field about what they like, what they don't like, and how we can make their jobs easier and safer. So the first part of the Fuse system is the harness. It is an athletic grade material that is designed to be perforated and very lightweight, so it's very comfortable when working. There's a single point attachment right on the harness here that makes it very easy to take on and off. So you put it right over your shoulder and bring the harness around and just clip it in, and then you're good to go. It is placed on this part of the body so that it enables the most accurate data capture when someone is moving and working throughout the day. We have the sensor that comes on and off right here, just like this. The sensor is actually capturing physiological and environmental risk. So if you're moving side to side, jumping, running, riding a forklift, we're able to detect those kinds of motions that potentially might cause injury, as well as the environmental factors like temperature, humidity, air quality, barometric pressure, noise, all the things that can contribute to workplace injury. It is capturing all that in real time right on the sensor. It's really important for the sensors in these industrial environments to be rugged, so they're built to last, and the battery life will collect straight for 24 hours. So if you're on the job working, we've got your back and we're capturing that information to help. We also have the docking station. So this acts as a charging station, but also as a base station for all the sensors to connect to. It helps us in deploying thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of these sensors at scale very easily. It just comes out of the box, you plug it into the wall, and then you're good to go. With IT integration, data security, and infrastructure, it also streamlines that process because everything is going through this one dock as opposed to each sensor. There's a touchscreen interface where an athlete will have to check out a sensor every day at the beginning of the shift, at which point we're actually providing micro-learning opportunities for surveying, for questions, for education purposes, but also to show them their own safety data so that they can be empowered and take control of their own safety. All this data gets rolled up from the sensor to the dock to our cloud platform where we're actually analyzing all this information and providing an interface where managers and executives can log in and look at trended reports on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a month-to-month basis to figure out who I can help and who I can give a shout out to that's doing well, and for the people that I want to better engage with, what I can talk to them about. With this new proactive real-time safety data, managers and operators at these businesses and organizations are able to look at safety data in real time and compare it to things like production, HR, staffing, financial metrics, whatever it may be. Businesses and executive leaders that are looking at their business can talk about safety and figure out what the optimization of their workforce looks like, ultimately to try and improve the lives of industrial athletes and reduce injuries in the workplace.